Hello viewers, and welcome to Biafra Battle Cry television channel today. We shall be bringing to you the generation that are business-minded and hard-working entrepreneur wherever they found themselves worldwide at any given time and situation. Hardship is not meant for Igboman, they don't take no for answer. No wonder. Some admires Igbos and some envy them. It is recorded in the book of Proverbs 22 verse 29, "Do you see a man diligent in his business? He shall stand before kings, he shall not stand before mean men." Lamentations 3 verse 37, "Who is he who speaks that Igboman will not make it and it comes to pass, when the Lord has not commanded it?" So sit back and watch this video and make a good judgment by yourself. Please viewers, do us a favor, share to your friends and family, like and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.
Now, I need you to watch how some people make a living. For all those said lazy Nigerians, now this is a very hard-working Nigerian. Because I, for one, cannot do this. Now watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. You see that? Be patient, people. He's coming right back up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. You see that? That's for him to take a deep breath, and then he's going right back into water. Watch it. Wait for it. Alright. Back inside. Watch it. I'm not baby girl. Just wait for it. The real magic is about to happen. Another breath. Another breath.
Just to get sand.
Yes. And he gets paid for getting those back in. Heavens no, I can't do this. Now that Beth is a very hard-working Nigerian. Meanwhile, this is Olo River. My river in Olo. Mam River in Olo. In Oji River of Enugu State. Of Enugu State, yes baby. He's trying to catch a breath, and then he'll go right back into the... Guys, you see what I'm saying? You see that?
My brother, you're a celebrity already.
You see that?
Oh my God!
You see that? Man, that's some serious thing. Brother, will you tell us your name, please? Brother, you got go and Fagi? Yes, sir. You got go with Fagi? Kenneth. Daluolu, oh Kenneth. Daluolu.
Yeah, that's not real. If you want jobs for the youth, the Igboman can bring water from stone. Anywhere. Anywhere. So if you want jobs, let him just add education to that business background. Igbos are the ambassadors of everywhere. Everywhere. They are the ambassadors. I just came from Malaysia. 90% of them are Igbos. 90% of our members all over the world are Easterners. Are the ones doing well. But the people that will fight them are themselves. So all this thing going on, forget it. Forget it.
China